Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making some garlic butter salmon. If you're interested in seeing how it's done, then keep on watching. So guys, these are the two salmon fillets that I will be working with today. First, I am going to go ahead and season my salmon. I will be using some garlic powder, onion powder, red crushed pepper, all-purpose season, paprika, salt, pepper, and some parsley flakes. I am going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on it so that the season can stick to it. To begin the cooking process, I am going to add about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I am going to allow that to melt over low to medium heat. So guys, now that the butter is completely melted, I am going to allow the salmon to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. You do not want to overcook your salmon. Guys, just take a minute and look at those salmon. They are looking so juicy and golden brown. So now that they are finished, I am going to remove them from the pot, and in the same pot I will be adding about 2 more tablespoons of butter. I am going to allow that to melt. Next, I will be adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of minced garlic and about 2 tablespoons of minced onions. I am going to allow that to saute for about 1 to 2 minutes on medium to high heat. Next, I am going to use about a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning for flavor. Guys, you can use your favorite seasoning of choice. Next, I will be adding some fresh parsley, and I am going to allow that to saute for about 10 seconds. So guys, as you can see, the butter wasn't enough, so I went ahead and add another 2 tablespoons of butter because I want my sauce to be juicy. Next, I will be adding the salmon back to the pot, and I am going to use a spoon to drizzle all that sauce over the salmon. And guys, this is how I will be serving my salmon. I will be having it with some mashed potato and broccoli. Guys, take a look at it. Next, I am going to drizzle some of the sauce on it to give it that juicy flavor, you feel me? Guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Share this video with a friend. Until next time, bye guys.